It's rolling. It is Wednesday, October 1st. So you guys have a packet of FRQs on your desk. We'll be going through these today. I should say these are a few years old, and AP's sort of changed the format of some of them and how they score them, but it's at that level. It's sort of the questions they would kind of ask anyway, if they couch them a little bit differently or score them a little bit differently. Okay. For textbook puzzles, we've been going over a little bit here, a little bit there, last few days. So these are due Friday. Remember, just want you guys to turn in 10 days. We've done more than that in class at this point. Oh, guys, also, yesterday I actually did different puzzles in different classes. So I had two different AP classes. So I did upload both videos to Google Classroom. Okay, so if you want to see like some of the ones later on, or we did some of those later on, like this one here, or like the raindrops, right? So that, yeah. So there's there. All right, so let's gonna get you guys a quiz by the end of the week, and for a number of reasons, I think the best thing I really need to do is make this a take-home quiz and get this to you guys by the end of class today. So before you guys walk out the door today, get you guys a take-home quiz, and that'll be due on Monday. And to finish off the week, I have a couple of lab type activities. Right, so you guys can figure out what's the spring constant in these different springs, which are a little bit different. And also, I want to have you guys set up a virion frame. Right, so this is using physics to solve an economics puzzle. It's like, where do you locate a factory? Maybe you have different inputs, and maybe that's like an output. You want to ship something to a town. Maybe you have different transportation costs. Right? I think the more expensive it is to transport, you probably want the factory closer to that location. You can actually represent that physically in terms of weights. Okay, so how do you guys construct this by the end of the week also? So that's pretty cool. Physics process. All right, so let's look at these FRQs.